So these are the cables we're going to be using with this power supply. Cable Mod Pro Series cable kit. So the last time I built a PC, I definitely just used the included cables with the modular power supply. These look way better, nice. And these are specifically matching, these are for this power supply, which is sweet. There's a little air intake at the bottom, so we know the orientation of the power supply in the case, which will be like that. And then all the cables will come into the case and be routed up the back through here. So let's start by attaching them. Okay, so this is actually kind of nice. It's labeled right here. So these two are for the motherboard. This is gonna go here, which means this is gonna go here. Fan down, oriented correctly. Let's line her up. All right, so now that we've got the cables in the power supply in the case, I'm just gonna check to make sure all of our parts fit. Swivel this around so you can check with me.